Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kavish Dolman and today I will be teaching you how to do HTML. This is like the basic video. Firstly, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The name is like misleading because HTML is not a language. It is the main structure of a web page. Without it, a web page cannot thrive. A web page needs HTML to we can say, consider an example of a house. The main structure is the wood plane and the concrete walls are HTML. Along with HTML, we have CSS and JavaScript. The paint and all the beautiful shelves and the board, the the showpieces you can see, they are CSS. And like the working tab, the working television, the working computer, these working stuff is the JavaScript. I will be teaching you all three of them. Please like and subscribe to learn. Firstly, how to work with HTML. Firstly, you will need, you can say, a area where will write the code. To get that, we can either get it, you can simply type notepad and type it over here in notepad, or you can install VS Code. To install VS Code, the link is in the description box given below. Install it. So I've installed it. So what we will see. Okay. Okay. Oops, install it. Now let me set it up a bit. Yes. Nice. For majority of the YouTube channel, I will have this set up with the Chrome browser over here and like the main part over here, the coding. Firstly, you will need to select a file. Usually, you need to click on File and open Folder. Then you need to select your folder. I already have my folder selected, which is YT. You can do the same. Inside YT, I'm gonna click it and then I'm gonna click on this button, New File. If you use Notepad, you can simply go in the folder and create a new file. I'm gonna name it index.html. Sorry. You can simply also write index, but that will not work. It will be a text file. The reason for this is this HTML is an extension .html. This part, not text, this is an extension which is necessary in the web page. Now, let's say I want to type something. To that, we first need to set the basic structure of the document. To do that in VS Code, you can simply do exclamation mark and tab to get the basic code. But I'm gonna type it because you guys knew you should type it. Okay. So, you can be a bit slow. I'm a bit fast, but I know these both. Sorry, but I know all of these. You can be slow. Sorry, that's not. And HTML is a case sensitive. It is not a case sensitive language. So I can write it in capital or small, it doesn't matter. I'm going to write it in small. HTML. Here you see HTML, there is a starting tag and ending tag. The ending tag of this one, HTML, inside is HTML, I'm going to put the head, sorry. And then after head, I'm going to put the body. This is called the basic structure. In it, we write the build code. You should type like this for a few, like when you get like properly secure, then you can write the code on your own. Inside that we have the title. I'm going to be explaining you all of this in everything later. Inside title, you need to give the title of a web page. The title of my web page will be my first web page. Where will this thing show? This thing should show over here. But how to open this? We wrote so much, but how to open this? I did control S to save, by the way. To do that, we need to click over here and then do control O. It should open a path like this. I'm gonna click on the file I already want to open. I want to open index because it is the name of my web page. See here, my first web page is visible, but there's nothing on the body, which is the main part of the web page. Let's say I wanted to show a heading on the body. The difference between title and heading is that heading is shown in the main workspace, which is this, and the title is shown in the title bar, which is this. This is called the title bar, and it's in the title bar. To put the heading in HTML, you put an H for heading and then 1. What is 1, you may ask? 1 is the level. In HTML, it goes from 1 to 6. I put 2, 3, all of these are headings. But the difference you will soon see later. That's it. Nice. Now let's say I want to type, like for example, hi in all of them. Hi, 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 hi. It's control S. Now you see, I did control S, but nothing is coming here because we need to refresh. There you go. See, H1 is very big. H6 is miniature. Let's say now I want to add a paragraph tag. To add it, we can simply use the P tag. P stands for paragraph. Let me write hello there. Hello school. I'm not type too much. Continuous, refresh. Hello. See, it literally hello is bigger than H6. Then see the difference. Now, even in HTML, we can type something without giving any tag. Like, so type hello there and control S. It comes. See, in a paragraph format only. But there's one difference. In a paragraph, when I end it and start a new paragraph, then it is automatically in a new line. See, it's in a new line. This is what it just started. It's in a new line. However, when I type hello there with an enter, it should not work. It will come in the same line. The reason is that paragraph is a block level element. We will study this in later about block and inline where we will be doing CSS. But for basics, I should tell you that paragraph is a block level element, while nothing is an inline level element, meaning it does not occupy the complete space. Paragraph occupies the complete space. So now inside hello there, I want to put it in separate lines. Enter would not work. So I can try the BR tag. This means break. It should break a line. See? I can put it as many as I I'm putting it there multiple times, 4 times, and it will go well down. And this part is counted. So now let's say I want to add a horizontal line between, like the ending line you see, between the heading tags and the paragraph tags and the other tags that would be. For that, we can use the horizontal rule line, HR. This is called horizontal rule. There you go. So I hope you understood the basic HTML and that you will follow my complete HTML course and understand everything. Till then, subscribe to my channel Coding Craft and you might be as skillful as B1 there. Bye! And if you have any doubts, comment me. I read all the comments actively.